Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-tackling a topic that strikes fear into the heart of almost every driver. The flashing check engine light. We've all seen it. You're driving along, minding your own business, and suddenly that little engine-shaped icon on your dashboard starts blinking at you. It's not just on, it's flashing, and that flashing is your car's way of screaming for help. So, what's the big deal? Why is a flashing light so much more serious than a steady one? A steady check engine light is usually a heads-up. It means the car's computer, the engine control unit, or ECU, has detected a problem. It could be something as simple as a loose gas cap or something more significant like a faulty sensor. It's an issue you should get checked out soon, but it's typically not an immediate, catastrophic emergency. A flashing check engine light, on the other hand, is a code red. This is your car's most urgent warning signal. It almost always indicates a severe engine misfire. A misfire happens when one or more of your engine cylinders isn't firing correctly. This means unburned fuel is being dumped into the exhaust system. Now, why is that so bad? Well, your exhaust system contains a crucial and very expensive component called the catalytic converter. Its job is to convert harmful pollutants into less harmful gases. It operates at extremely high temperatures. When raw, unburned fuel hits that scorching hot catalytic converter, it's like throwing gasoline on a fire. The temperature can skyrocket, causing the internal components of the converter to melt down and get destroyed. Replacing a catalytic converter is not cheap. We're talking hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars, depending on your vehicle. The damage can happen incredibly fast, sometimes in just a few minutes of driving with a flashing check engine light. This is why you cannot ignore it. So, what should you do if you see that dreaded flashing light? The first thing is, don't panic, but act immediately. Safely pull over to the side of the road as soon as you can. Turn off the engine. The best course of action is to stop driving the car completely. I know it's inconvenient, but driving any further risks that expensive catalytic converter damage, not to mention potential further damage to the engine itself. Your next step should be to call for a tow truck. Yes, it's a hassle, but towing your car to a trusted mechanic or back home is far cheaper than a catalytic converter replacement. Continuing to drive, even for what seems like a short distance, is a huge gamble. You might feel the car shaking or running very rough. That's the misfire in action. You're not imagining it, and it's not going to fix itself. Once the car is at the shop, a mechanic will use an OBD to scanner to read the trouble codes from your car's computer. The codes will pinpoint which cylinder is misfiring and give clues as to why. Common causes for a severe misfire include a failed spark plug, a bad ignition coil, a faulty fuel injector, or even internal engine problems. For example, a code like P0301 would indicate a misfire in cylinder 1, P0302 for cylinder 2, and so on. The good mechanic will then diagnose the root cause. It might be a relatively simple fix like replacing a spark plug in an ignition coil, which is much more manageable than replacing the entire catalytic converter. To sum it up, a steady check engine light means, get this checked soon. A flashing check engine light means stop driving now. It's a critical warning of a severe engine misfire that can quickly destroy your catalytic converter. Pull over, turn off the car, and get it towed. It's the smartest and most cost-effective decision you can make in that situation. Don't risk a multi-$1,000 repair bill for a few more miles. I hope this clears up the confusion and stress around the flashing check engine light. It's scary, but knowing what to do can save you a ton of money and heartache. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.